Greetings from Asktenali, and today we'll be talking about giving and receiving compliments. At the workplace, many of us might be receiving some kind of a recognition, some appreciation or praise for having done our work. And we also have to give credit to others. We also have to reciprocate. Sam is working. He's a HR manager, and he does a lot of appraisals, and he does a lot of what you should say is gives reports, and also has to meet and give compliments for having some work done extraordinarily, or he has done some excellent work. So Sam wants to know how to give and receive compliments. Why is it important? It's a friendly way. First of all, it's a nice way to start any conversation. It makes people good, and lot of goodwill is generated. But at the same time, the compliments have to be sincere. Otherwise, people will find out, and you are making a sort of what I should say is some sort of insincere comments. They will recognize that easily. So there are two ways of giving compliments. Direct. You can directly tell it's a nice shirt, having a bag or whatever it is. This is okay. It's called direct compliment, and one is called indirect. It's like, you can approach someone and say, yeah, I think I heard a lot that you are an expert in this. I think you can help me out. So giving an indirect compliment is also one way of giving an effective compliment. Receiving compliments is very simple. There are some few lines you can always use. Thank you. Thank you for what you're giving me. Thank you for what you have done. I'm glad you like it. Someone has done, you have done something, other person says, oh, great job. You can always say, thank you. I'm glad you like it. And if it's a nice words are said about you, what nice words, what nice things you are saying. Thank you. What a nice thing to say. Or simply, I appreciate it. And you have to be graceful and polite, and when you're accepting it, and also maintain the office etiquette wherever possible. So we at Asktenali conduct a number of seminars. You are welcome to visit our website www.asktenali.com. Thank you.